Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into something quite exciting. The Usmile Y10 Pro Sonic Electric Toothbrush. Now, this isn't your ordinary toothbrush, it's packed with features that promise a professional-grade cleaning experience right at home. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions count, and the Y10 Pro looks and feels premium. It boasts a sleek finish with metallic accents and a vibrant color display, something you don't often see in toothbrushes. The design is ergonomic, although slightly longer than typical brushes, which accommodates its unique features like the built-in USB-C charging port. What sets this brush apart are its features. It offers 4 cleaning modes: Smart, Clean, White, and Soft, each designed to adapt its sonic vibrations to different brushing needs. The color display provides real-time feedback on your brushing technique, areas missed, and even plaque detection, though some of the language used in notifications could be clearer. Now, let's talk about battery life. This is where the Y10 Pro shines brightest. It's equipped with an impressive 6-month battery life on a single charge. Imagine brushing for 2 minutes, twice a day, and only needing to charge twice a year. Plus, it charges quickly via USB-C, making it incredibly convenient. In terms of performance, the Y10 Pro delivers a powerful clean with sonic vibrations ranging from 31,000 to 38,000 per minute. It uses a gyroscopic sensor to track your brushing motion, offering intelligent guidance and ensuring thorough cleaning without damaging your gums. Let's break it down. The Y10 Pro excels with its superb battery life, smart adaptive cleaning, and easy USB-C charging. However, it lacks a travel case and some of the notification language could be clearer. Despite these minor drawbacks, it's an impressive brush overall. So, should you consider the Y10 Pro? If you prioritize long battery life, smart features like a color display, and adaptive brushing technology, this could be the toothbrush for you. For travelers or those needing a more compact option, it might not be the best fit. That wraps up our in-depth look at the Usmile Y10 Pro Sonic Electric Toothbrush. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more detailed product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.